guys, how are you? Y'all, the room is looking a little crazy right now because going through transition. But today, I'm taking out my boho braids because it's time. It's very much time, and these have to fucking go. These have to go. I'm gonna be installing a wig actually that I got from this little company. I kind of forgot the name, but I'll tag it probably like right over here or something, so y'all can like get the info and see where I got the wig from. Definitely, I don't really know how this wig is gonna fit me because it's like a curly bob with a bang in the front. And, y'all, I don't know if I can do it with a bang, but it's gonna probably is. So I'm gonna see y'all in about like a hour-ish period, probably. I'm going to start taking out my hair, and I'm gonna like record, like stop recording, taking out my hair and stuff, so y'all can see like what I do basically. Hey guys. I have this much left, this much hair left. And I'm not washing my hair today. I'm actually washing my hair on Wednesday because I don't have the time today, so I'm gonna just do it like Wednesday evening type shit. But then after this, I'm just gonna braid my hair down and try on this wig I got. So, yeah, a little bit. I just was braiding it. I just taking it, and it's taking a while. Y'all, my body is if you're using the insurance store, you're really lacking that big bag. Hey guys, so I just I just took out my hair, as y'all can see. Cute what I put on. Now I'm about to put on the wig. I think I'm gonna braid down my hair, section it, cause I'm not washing this until Wednesday. I'm not gonna lie. But I was about to just braid down my hair, section it, all that, because this shit is too much of a reach. So let's get straight into that. Oh my gosh, I realized I wasn't recording. Oh my gosh. So, hey y'all, I'm back now. My wig came in this. This is the wig. Curly. I'm looking like a mess right now, but I'm gonna fix it. I don't have like a wig stand. I didn't get one of those. But I don't think I'm gonna get one until I get my own place. So, I'll get a head, but like a wig stand, no. Maybe I'll get one of those. And then I got a wig cap, and it came in this bag. Like I said, I will link the company down below in the video. Not right now, because that's not really what I do shit to do at the moment. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in like, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm starting to braid my hair down. I might braid it down, I'm not sure yet, because I'm not washing my hair. I'm not washing my hair till Wednesday. I'm just having this wig on for the other day, taking off again. What that shit with it. But y'all, I miss my hair so much. I miss my hair so fucking much. See, it's already like this, so all I gotta do is just braid it in. It's cool.
Have a good day.
So y'all, I just braided my hair down. It don't look that well, but hey, it is what it is. I don't really care how it looks at people. It's just that it was hold the wig down, and this is perfect. I'm planning on getting better, so don't come for me. Okay. So now we got this wig. I put this shit on. Let's see how it works. I don't know how people put this on, so okay. Okay, well, I think I'll put it on. Oh, this wig look kind of crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This look kind of crazy. See, I gotta fix this real bad. Real fucking bad. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Yeah, and well, I should be recording while I'm doing it. Yeah, so, I don't know, these bangs look kind of crazy, y'all. Oh, my hair just went up. Okay. These bangs look a little crazy. So I'll try to like cut it a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. These bangs look insanely. Yeah. I'm trying to like cut it into like a wave. I did this thing that I found TikTok where you would cut some of it and like leave some out, whatever. So I try to like cut in different sides, trying to make it look pretty, I guess. And then the rest of the hair is like this. So yeah. The rest of the hair is like this, so what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna wet my hair, all of it. See how it turns out in the end. All we care about is the end result. End result. Yeah, true. I don't know, this is my first human hair. Well, it's not my first human hair wig ever. This was my first time doing it. That's not like a headband wig. So when I had a headband wig on, I was stunting bitches crazy, bro. Like, I have my natural edges because my natural edges are pretty fine. And because like I have the gorilla style and shit, like I was fucking stunting on bitches real until like one day you know bitch just got rid of her wigs and just started having these shits again. But they're cute though, no lie. Like these are some cute ass wigs. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. I just don't really like this type of. I don't like the color out. I don't really like it on me. Maybe if I was a different hairstyle or like I wore it with something else, then it would be cute. But right now this is not cute to me at all. And I feel like I look like Mary Sue. That's how I feel. I feel like I look like the fucking Mary ass Sue. So what if I like cut the braid too? I don't know. Let me know how y'all feel about this braid too. Because I don't know. I feel about this way. I know that like if you cut like the bottom part, like you know, I'm just trying to. Oh shit! What's this? Straighten it out, like the bottom. Yeah, straighten out. Cause I don't have like the shear scissors, so I have to clean out so like this. Yeah, I think that's a bit. It's cute wig. It's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I might wear a hat with it. Oh, yeah, cause I don't really think that off. But I'm wearing a hat with it like this. Oh shit. I had to look at my fucking head. It's something. It's something. It's something. Okay, I'm gonna see you in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, this is the wig final form. I have to pull my hair all the way to the front because I cut this so fucking terribly. So freaking terribly. So freaking terribly. Yeah, I just don't like it. I have to believe this for me. The hair is amazing. The hair is so great. Or whatever. But I just don't think that this wig is for me. And that's okay. But I really appreciate the company. Like I said, I will tag them in the video below. But I'm going out tomorrow and I did not wash my hair yet. Like, I did not wash my hair yet. So, cut to the... So that, like this. I got the hat on, period. So it's sticking somewhere. I feel like it's cute with a hat. It's just like a hat wig. For sure. For sure. Yo, that, I just cannot. Like, I cannot. Like, I tried putting the wig down. It's not that bad, but y'all, like, this is cute. So I'm not watching this, I'm watching it tomorrow, so I'll definitely have a result for y'all. But it's low-key giving, low-key not. But it's okay. Definitely next time will be better. Cause I'm gonna be better, you know. It's better. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all kids in my next video where I will be literally washing out my hair, doing a little protein treatment. Cause your girl need to wash her hair, and that's going to be like, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I'm gonna see y'all in like a couple of days, probably on Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm outside. I might not film it. I might just like take pictures of my friends, make it cute, all that. So I'm gonna be taking pictures, and y'all might see new pictures on the Instagram page, if anything. But yeah, I want to wish y'all know to have a great day, have a beautiful day, have a blessed day. And Kalie Kins out with the kids watching the video. This will be my new outro. So thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day today. Bye. But I'll be